All right, so here we are. Here's the play center. Has a slide, covered roof. Looks like a second and third level. Oh, and then it's another little level down under here. That's your mountain climbing part. Seesaw swing, and 2 more swings here. Brad. All right. Hey. Okay. Okay, got steps here going up in the back. So I have to take this loose and put it back together. Let's go.
You're watching Daddy DIY.
There's a roof there. This thing is awesome.
I see it. Okay, let's begin. Okay, this piece here, I'm gonna leave everything on it, pull this one piece off. It appears to have the one bolt there and the one bolt here. And the two that need to come off to separate this from the structure.
And there comes the rock climbing wall.
All right, so these screws here are a T30. That's what you need to get these out. T30. All right, next I'm gonna go up and take the roof off. No, I'm gonna take the swing off since she's not enjoying that at all. I'm gonna dismantle that. I don't think it's too hard. So that bolt, I'm gonna take the swing off first. Jeez. And again, on the inside of the playhouse. That's the roof. Roof. Yeah, mommy. Okay. All right, so we're at the top. I'm gonna take those 4 bolts off. I should have bought a ladder and a chair and some more stuff, but won't fit. Okay, so these just twist that, and it looks, and we'll take that off the latch. Okay, now I'm gonna take the swing loose. I'm gonna leave everything here attached. I'm only gonna release the bolt here. Just run it into the wood, leave everything, so when I get it back, and I gotta just put those 2 back in, and swing. Alright, I'll put everything back together since it's real simple. I am gonna use some Loctite or maybe some wood glue just to make sure those holes get really secure. Alrighty.
Okay? Oh, that's a nest.
Dried out. I'm assuming that's what they had already. They're taking the swing structure frame loose. So you got a plate there on this side. It's another plate on this side, 4 screws that attaches it to the house. You got a plate here on both sides. 5 screws, 3 T-head 30s, and 2 bolts. 2 bolts at the top, screws on the side. This side, oh, that's the same ones that go all the way through. And then here, had a nut, and yep, that goes all the way through. One here, goes all the way through. 2 screws here, that go all the way through. One here that goes all the way through. And then the bottom just lifts off the ground. All right, time to disassemble. When it gets done, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces and a whole lot of nuts. So these ends were staked down into the ground. Both ends staked down into the ground. I think I broke this one a little bit. I don't know. I may cut this because I don't think mine is going. Only 30 may go on concrete. Okay. But I just want to add that note. I pushed it over. I'm going to finish taking these bolts out and disassemble this part. Okay. This long screw went through here, through the middle one, and outside of that one. And then it had 2 nuts on it. So it went straight through all 3 pieces with 2 nuts on the end. And that's the side frame for the swing. All right. So the whole frame is disassembled. Okay. This is the front roof. We got screws that go in here from the back. And this is just a little decoration piece. I'm gonna take that out first.
And it looks like this front roof is not as tall as the back roof. The back roof's a little higher. You hear her making her own sounds for hers. You helping Daddy, girl? Danny Jean helping? And get it, girl.
Mommy.
I see you, girl.
Okay, so the actual roof itself is only held on by 4 of these screws. One here, on the outside. One here from this corner, outside, and one here on the inside corner. The tops on this side are just butted together. On this side, screw bracket there that we have to take off. Okay, so this is the back piece from the front roof. This is the holding the top, and then this is the second roof. It has the same piece on the end. And then we have another one of those sundials on the back roof that we'll have to take off as well. Alright. Remember, that's where it goes. Alright, so we got the one section out. We'll get this out. Same deal. Just 4 of these screws around the bottom. That plate there. There's a little wooden plate right here that holds it on. Get all that off. Just pop right off 2 pieces.
Just like this over here. 1, 2. Baby, you're doing a good job helping, girl. Oh, careful.
So yeah, careful.
Get yours, Dana Jean. Get the red one. Here I come.
All right, so now we have both of the roofs off, and we're left with our 3 levels. So again, I'm gonna start here. They're like all these 4 walls come off as 4 complete sections. So let me show you where those bolts at. So it's one bolt here in the corner that goes through the front there. This bolt from the back. This bolt here from the back. And again, another bolt there. And then this bolt on the inside. Okay. Then on the bottom, have 1 there, 2 there, 2 there. Got this L-shaped green bracket goes there. Front entry part. None of these other screws will come out. Only the big T-head screws should be coming out. Alright. Okay, so the short stairs go from the 2nd level to the 3rd, and they're bolted in from the back side. From the back side of the 3rd level. 1 screw there, 1 screw there, those 2 out, and then that should pop right off. Okay, so now we got the 4 walls of the 3rd level off. Now, everywhere else, the bolts kind of interchange or cross 2 levels. So this is bolted into the 3rd level and the 2nd level. This floor is bolted down to this, but this is bolted down to both of these. So if I take these off, if I take these off, take those off, this whole thing should slide up. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave this face plate intact here. Okay? I don't wanna have to take 1,000 of these little screws out. So, this is connected to the back plate. Sides are separate. This is separate, it's connected to the side. Oh, but that's connected to the center. I'm gonna have to take those 3 out. Yeah, it's gonna be a little tricky. Alright. Okay, so each one of these posts come out independently, okay? So I had to take this bolt out and these 2 bolts out. And this one came out. I'm gonna do that all the way around and then see where we are. Alright, we are, I think, I'd say 60%. Almost down. That's what we have in the truck. Getting ready to go back to the house for reassemble. But yeah, it's packed in there. So we're gonna go drop this off and then lay it all out. Then we'll come back and get the rest. Hopefully everything else fits in the 2nd trip. Still got the seesaw swing to vehicle as well. Alrighty, stay tuned.
You're watching Daddy DIY.
Alright, day 2. The truck is emptied out. And this is what we have left. The rest of the ground level, the rest of the 1st level, this is what I'm calling the 1st level, the rest of the 2nd level, and the 3rd level, and the roof is completely off. Alright, and the swing and the bracket for that is completely off. So hopefully we can get all the rest of this taken loose and packed in the truck today. Let's go. Okay, so this is the level 1. I took all the screws out on the base. Yeah, all the way around. Okay, all the way around. But this is still attached to this. And it's attached here. I'm gonna have to take that loose anyway to get this in the truck. So I'm gonna take out those 5 screws there, leave this intact as one piece, and then remove the floor. Just wanted to make a note that this strip was here, 3 screws, second deck next to the slide. Yeah, I think the rock climber wall rests against that. And if that's so, it won't be going there because the rock climbing wall is not going back in that same location. Okay, so we're down to 4 posts, well, 6 posts, and picnic area. Finish these last couple bolts, and we're done. We're done, son. Almost. Okay, maybe 15, 20 more screws, and we'll get it all loaded in. All right. Okay, so the benches look like it's completely together. So if I take out just one back bolt and one bottom inside bolt on both sides, this bench should lift out as a complete whole on both sides. That's what I'm gonna do. Alrighty, we have Kelsey labeling the last couple of parts there. One thing I have left is just 6 posts here to take out. So we'll be unbolting them from these blocks that cemented in all around. And then, oh, this bottom frame is a part of it as well. So I'll be unbolting this bottom frame. So I got the 6 posts, these 4 frames that go around, and then 1 center. And then we're done. You ready to go slide? Slide. Okay, this is the center brace for the 2 center poles. The poles are in decent condition, but this bottom brace, trying to remake that all the way new. That screw is completely buried under the dirt. To get that to go in. Oh yeah. All right, I forgot to show the little square piece of dirt when we were done, but everything's down at the first location. This is all loaded up in the truck. We had to put the slide through the window because how long it was. It wasn't sticking out this much, just a little bitty piece. I just stopped to make this quick little clip. But the other place is done. It's all loaded in. I'm now back at the location where we're gonna put it back up. Keep watching, and I'll give you an update on that location, give you a before and after.
Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.